If you're in the Northern Hemisphere, winter is just around the corner, and on December 21st, we'll be celebrating the winter solstice, which is the darkest day of the year. And many people around the world celebrate the slow return and rebirth of the sun. And so in this video, I'm going to share 20 winter solstice inspired crochet patterns to make. And I'm going to separate all of these patterns into 4 different categories: blankets, home decor, squares and hexagons, and accessories and cardigans. And as always, you can find all the exact links to all the patterns that I mentioned on my blog, which is linked in the description box below. All right, let's get started. First is the Winter Hexi Blanket by Not a Crawl Crochet. It measures 48 by 52 inches, and the special stitch required is the double crochet 2 together. Each hexagon in this pattern is made of 4 rounds and measures 5 inches across. And the dimensions of the blanket are 9 hexagons by 12 hexagons. So it's made of 108 hexagons in total. And this one would be a fun one to use up scrap yarns for. And this one's a free pattern on their website, and there also is a video tutorial for it as well. Or make this winter solstice blanket by Seabird Crochet Patterns. It uses the Mosaic crochet method, and the pattern includes row by row instructions, which is really helpful if you don't want to read a chart. And if you use medium weight yarn, the blanket will measure 48 by 55 inches. And this one is a paid pattern in their Etsy shop. I also liked this Cozy Winter Wishes blanket by Made by Anita. This one uses the Tapestry method and includes hearts, quaint houses, and bobble hat motifs. It measures 100 centimeters by 125 centimeters, and it's free on their blog. It also uses charts for making this design, so you do need to be comfortable with reading Tapestry crochet charts. But if you don't know how to do this, or you just need a refresher, definitely check out my tutorial in the card above on Tapestry crochet. This Winter Skies Throw by Tommy Hildebrand at Yarnspirations is also a nice one. It measures 44 by 60 inches, and the special stitches used are the front post double crochet and front post treble crochet. It's made of 48 squares and then assembling them all together. So you make all the different squares and then join them together and finish it off with the border around the edges. And this one is a free pattern on their website. This Country Snow Window Blanket by Yarnspirations is also a lovely one. It's designed by the Crochet Crowd and measures 65 inches or 165 centimeters square. And this one also is made of squares that are worked in the round and then joined together and finished off with edging. It's a free pattern on their website, and it has a helpful chart for making it if you enjoy charts. And I just really loved the snowflake design on this one. I also liked this Dusty Snowflake Crochet Throw by Tommy Hildebrand at Yarnspirations. It measures 45 by 52.5 inches and is made of creating the snowflake motif in the round and then joining them together in the 6th row, which is a convenient way of constructing it. And this one has a helpful chart for joining them all together, which is really helpful if you're not that familiar with the join as you go method. I know that I definitely want to work on this more. All right, now I'll share some home decor patterns to make your home nice and cozy. First is the Northern Lights pot holder by Lila Bjorn Crochet. This pot holder is cleverly constructed with 2 layers, the top structured zigzag cabled pattern and the bottom flat layer made with the main color. It measures 7 3/4 inches or 19.5 centimeters, and the special stitches used are the front post double crochet and the front post treble 2 together. And this one is a free pattern on the Notions magazine website. Or make the Snowflake Garland by Yarnspirations. Each snowflake measures 5 inches in diameter, and the garland measures 55 inches long by 5 inches wide. And the special stitches used are the chain 4 picot and chain 6 picot, as well as the trefoil and beaded chain. And this one is also fun for just general winter decor, and it's a free pattern on their website. I also like these Pagan Yule Baubles by Mary Mandrake. It includes 5 patterns: a sun, horn, star, pine cone, and acorn, and these are all bundled together as a paid pattern in their Ravelry. And I just really loved how unique the designs are, and they would really make your tree stand out if you use them as ornaments or you can string them all together and make a garland. Or make the North Star Christmas ornaments by your inspirations. These measure 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters in diameter, and you work them in the round starting with the first side, and then working the second side, and then making a hanging loop. And then you embroider each star with a lazy daisy stitch. And this one is a free pattern on their website, and these would be really fun to use up scrap yarns for, and you can even stuff them with little tiny yarn scraps so that nothing goes to waste. I also like these poinsettia ornaments by Kristen Holloway Designs. Poinsettias are a common symbol of Christmas as they are thought to symbolize the Star of Bethlehem, but they also symbolize rebirth, hope, and peace. So I thought that they would be perfect for our winter solstice pattern collection because with it being red as well, I also thought that they are perfect for representing the returning sun. And the special stitches used for this one are the picot and the back post single crochet, and they each measure 4¼ inches across. And they are perfect for making ornaments or a garland, and it's a free pattern on their website. Alright, now I'll share some squares and hexagon patterns. First is the Solstice Granny Square by Crochet For You. This design is lovely because it's not only too thick or lacy, but it's also perfect for making a nice light blanket. And if you use worsted weight yarn, they measure 6.25 inches. And if you use DK, it measures 5.5 inches. The special stitch used here is the V-stitch. And this one is a free pattern on their blog. I also like this Christmas crochet square by Crafting Each Day. Each square measures 8 inches and is worked in the round. And I also like the texture on this one, and it's a free pattern on their blog. I also really liked that the snowflake was round like the sun. Or make the Moonlit Forest Granny by Mary Mandrake. This design features a ring of spruce trees and a central sun or moon. Depending on the colors that you use, it can depict an atmosphere nighttime forest or cheery midday scene. And the finished square is 21 centimeters when made with Aran weight yarn. And I really like the texture on this one, and it's a paid pattern in their Etsy. Or make the Snowflake by the Lazy Hobby Hopper. This one measures 5.5 inches when worked with light worsted weight, and the only special stitch used here is the double crochet 2 together and 3 together. And this one is a free pattern on their blog and has a lot of helpful pictures for making it as well. This Solstice Sun Rising Square by Hodgepodge Crochet is also a nice one. It measures 12 inches square and is inspired by the rising sun at dawn. It's designed to feature a sunburst motif at the center, then radiates outward, and the special stitches are the treble, double treble, P-stitch, and Y-stitch. It's a bit more intermediate level to make. And this one is a free downloadable pattern in their Ravelry, and a fun way to customize this one would be to use specific colors inspired by what specific colors you see in the sky of the sunrise on the solstice where you are. Alright, now I'll share some accessories and cardigans patterns. First is this Winter Solstice jacket by Drops Design. The special stitches are the double crochet 2 and 3 together, and to create it, it's worked in the round, and then the armholes are added. It has sizes small to 3XL, and this one has a helpful chart for constructing it all together, and it's a free pattern on their website. Or make this Winter Solstice wrap by Fiberflex Blog. They are made of 6 pointed stars made in sparkly yarns and joined as you go, so it work up quite quickly. Each star is 5 inches wide, and the scarf is 15 inches wide by 54 inches long. I also like this crochet snowflake bag by Loops and Love Crochet. It measures 9 inches wide and tall, not including the handles, and is joined in rounds. And there's a fair bit of color change because it uses the tapestry crochet method to make. So it's good to be comfortable with reading a tapestry crochet chart, but there are also helpful written instructions for each round. Well, what did you think of my winter solstice inspired crochet patterns? Let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and join me back here each week for more crochet inspiration and just fiber art inspiration in general. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me in the next one.